Mahusay si Yulo, iboto si Yulo, José Yulo for president. The cost of rice will surely go down if we vote for president Joe Yulo. We might have lost a good friend, Macapagal, but things will be okay with Yulo. When things go wrong, we can always count on Joe Yulo. He will always help the tao. Democracy, side by side with more prosperity. With Yulo, lahat tayo ay siguradong may trabaho. The racketeers will rock and disappear. We'll have clean government with Yulo. From east to west we know he is the best. And so we've got to vote, vote Yulo. Yulo. Marunong si Yulo, mahusay si Yulo, iboto si Yulo, José Yulo for president. The cost of rice will surely go down if we vote for president Joe Yulo. We might have lost a good friend, Macapagal, but things will be okay with Yulo. When things go wrong, we can always count on Joe Yulo. He will always help the tao. Democracy, side by side with more prosperity. With Yulo, lahat tayo ay siguradong may trabaho. The racketeers will rock and disappear. We'll have clean government with Yulo. From east to west we know he is the best. And so we've got to vote, vote Yulo. Yulo. Marunong si Yulo, mahusay si Yulo, iboto si Yulo, José Yulo for president.